My Wranglers need a hem, and this will be my first attempt to use my vintage Singer sewing machine to hem a pair of jeans. So let's go. I've got a glorious pair of Retro Wranglers here that are much too long for me at 5 foot 1 inches. We got a 32-inch inseam here. So I'm planning to rip out this hem, take all this extra fabric out, and then just get rid of the trouser hem and make it more of a traditional hem. So if we do that, we're gonna lose about 1.5 inches in length. Let's start ripping some seams. We're making some progress. I'm going to measure down 1.25 inches from this seam line. First, I'm going to line up these, then I'm going to clip them so that they're very well aligned at the bottom seams here. That's our original seam. I want to go 1 and, oh my gosh, 5/8 plus 5/8 is 1 1/4. Is that right, Ralph?
Yeah.
I'm gonna measure 1 1/4 and draw lines there because that's where our new cut is going to be. There's no going back from here.
Oh, I think it's pretty sharp, huh?
Yes. Yes, it is. You're supposed to cut away from yourself. We cut it, look. That's what we got now. All this fabric came off. Now we iron. All right, so we've obviously got one fold. We need a second one. And I think I'm gonna turn them inside out to do that. And then I'll get a nice iron, just like that. Now we sew. Okay guys, I'm making some progress here. We've got our hem folded under. I took out a little notch here so that it's not going to be quite as thick when we get to the side seam. And here we go. This side's done. We've got this side left to go. I think the underside looks better than the top side. And so I was doing the top because I wanted to align right with where the original stitch was. Doesn't look too bad. A thread broke, so we are re-threading the machine. I'm halfway through my hemming project, and this is a bucket list win, even if I don't get the other half done. Check it out. What a big improvement. I look like a tall glass of water instead of swimming in denim. I'm gonna rest a couple days and then tackle the other leg. Here's the final reveal, and I will say I'm moving a little differently today. My hips had been coming out of the sockets a little bit, and so we are not in slow motion. This is me moving as carefully as I can in very high pain levels. No, I am not willing to admit that wearing cowboy boots may be flaring my foot pain. What do y'all think? Is the juice worth the squeeze? I think so. As I limp back towards the camera, I'll wish you an amazing day. Thanks for watching. Yee-haw!
Subscribe for more disabled crafts.